today's video, we'll show you the difference after install 25mm spacers. Installing wheel spacers on BMW X series is an ordinary option that most people will do. As long as you set up everything correctly, it is very safe to run BMW wheel spacers. These wheel spacers are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the original vehicle hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force achieved by tightening the wheel bolts of each wheel. All forces will be transmitted through each vehicle's hub and its corresponding axle. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle will not be placed on any BMW wheel spacers that are installed. To further improve the corrosion resistance and appearance of the spacers, BONOSS aluminum BMW wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard coat anodizing. A proper hard anodizing coating ensures completely protection against corrosion. The black dye not only brings a premier appearance but also tends to be light-fast. This means that the coatings will not fade easily. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.